Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can set a particular button or a text that can be shown on all pages. So let's say if we add a button like this here and click show on all pages like this. So what will happen is this is the home page. If we go to another page, let's say on contact us, it will be there only. So this is how it works. So what you need to do is simply click on this. If I remove this, as you can see, if I go again go to home page, because as I disabled that option from the contact us page, it's now not shown on the home page. But previously, as you know, I had made it shown all pages the setting on the home page itself, right? But I removed it from disable it from the contact us page. So again, I will do it. What I will do, I will show all pages, and again I will go to home page. So as you can see, it's there. In next couple of videos or the upcoming videos, I will show you how you can do this to any other button, or you can also do this along with like pinning it. So whatever happening, we will pin it and it will be scrolling along with the screen. So wherever is shown on the page, it will be pinned here, and it will be also shown on the other pages also. So that will be shown in the other video. So if you go to another page, like copy on phone, this is another page, it's still there, right? So I hope you got it. I hope you understood it. Thanks for watching.